We're leaders in our field, working in Trenton, Missouri, and nearby places like Kansas City and St. Joseph. We provide top-quality plumbing and excavating services to a variety of clients. Our name is known in Trenton, Missouri, for plumbing excellence, thanks to extensive experience and a real focus on quality. Our team is full of certified experts. First Call Plumbing ensures every job, big or small, meets the highest standards. We find innovative ways to solve our customers' unique problems, ensuring their satisfaction and long-lasting results. First Call Plumbing offers skilled plumbing services in Trenton, Mo. Known for top-quality work and customer care, their team works hard and trains regularly. They aim to meet all your needs, from punctuality to thorough cleanup after the job, making working with them a great experience. As leaders in excavation in Missouri, First Call Plumbing provides a wide range of services, from simple repairs to large installations. Their commitment to good work and honesty has earned them a strong reputation. Many customers have recently sought their services, highlighting their reliability and customer focus. First Call Plumbing helps clients make informed choices, offering great plumbing services at affordable prices. We're proud at First Call Plumbing of our wide range of top plumbing services in Trenton, Mo. Serving both houses and businesses, we're known for our quality and customer care. We focus on strong, high-quality plumbing setups, from heating water systems to complex new building systems, with work seen in hospitals, labs, universities, and office buildings. Our repairs are fast and lasting, addressing leaks, flooding, and drainage problems efficiently. First Call Plumbing offers 24/7 emergency help. We prevent plumbing issues before they grow, using tools like sewer cameras, vibration checks, heat views, and steam trap checks to ensure plumbing lasts longer and works better. At First Call Plumbing, our expert team leads in Missouri, known for detailed and skilled work. We do more than just install septic tanks. We also take great care of sewer systems, handling each job with precision and careful attention. Our contractors use the latest gear and their deep experience for every job, offering many types of excavation services in Trenton, Mo. Choosing First Call Plumbing in Trenton, Missouri, means you get trustworthy and skilled experts with over 30 years of experience in plumbing and excavation. Whether it's simple repairs or complex projects, we handle everything with great care. The team prioritizes safety and quality, continually learning new ways to improve their work, offering services like fixing water heaters and maintaining water systems. We aim to be affordable while providing quality work. You'll get a free quote, ensuring no surprises. We also offer quick and convenient services to make your life easier. First Call Plumbing is dedicated to looking after your home or business with top-level professionalism. Contact First Call Plumbing at 660-654-4679 for help or questions. We aim to give quick and thorough service, with flexible service agreements starting with a year and then monthly for ongoing support.